We learn by making mistakes. By plus verb plus ing. Let's see what it means and how we can use it in our speech. First, let's paraphrase the sentence. How do we learn something new? We learn something new as we make mistakes or when we make mistakes. In other words, we are talking about one of the possible ways of how we learn something new. If you want to describe a way or a method of achieving a certain result, use the construction by doing something. For example, Michael got rich by selling cars. How did he get rich? What method did he use? He got rich by selling cars. How can you deal with stress at work? We can deal with stress by changing our thoughts. Let's paraphrase the following sentences. If you cut calories, you will lose weight. You can lose weight by cutting calories. You can improve your English if you read adapted books. You can improve your English by reading adapted books. Many people step out of their comfort zone and this way achieve success. Many people achieve success by stepping out of their comfort zone. One of the ways to manage your time better is to prioritize your daily tasks. You can manage your time better by prioritizing your daily tasks. If you want to create an app, App Designer software may help you. You can create an app by using App Designer software. Now do the exercise and check your answers with the key below. Goodbye!